Welcome back, YouTube. So this is gonna be just another video on the iCC method. Okay, indication, continuation, indication, correction, and then continuation. We see that above that level, price was showing you that it wanted to buy. Okay, anything above that level would have been a buy. Okay, so let's say price came over here. This was the first exit, and then you sold. TP would have been underneath this low. Okay, this could have been a stop loss. Okay, so you got stopped out on the first entry. You are like, cool, let me wait again. And then after some time, price eventually made a break to the upside. So this was the first break to the upside. So this could have been your entry. You could have entered from here and taken the market up to around some good pips. Okay, remember, anything above that level is buys. Anything above this level is also a buy. Anything above a previous high is a buy. So even here is a buy. So many good buys. Okay, so what do you want to see? Well, you want to see price break above, and then afterwards you can take your entries. So this was an indication that price wanted to go above this level. Okay, but if you are holding that trade from previously, you could have just held through even when price broke through. Okay, so I'll take an entry so that I can show you guys what I mean. If you observe, price is always pushing up. Okay, but now we have a major resistance above, so price has to first of all give us an indication that it's going to sell. Okay, it has to give us an indication that it has to sell, then we shall take entries. But let's go to gold, because that's the only chart which is currently understandable right now. So on gold, we see that price is above my zone. So this is the first zone that guys I showed you. It shows that price is above this zone and it's I see ready to push up. Okay, so I won't even hesitate. I'll start buying because I know. Let me just increase the lot size so that you guys know what I'm talking about. Okay, this is 11. Okay, we are allowed to take lot size 11, which is good. So we shall buy. TP will be at the high. This will be the first resistance, but TP is typically above here. Okay, where is the stop loss? For people asking for the stop loss, go to the M5, look at the nearest level of resistance, which is around here. This is a rally based rally, so if price breaks this level, that means it has the potential to even continue lower. But anyways, let me just continue. I'll show you guys later on. You see, if price goes underneath this level, we know that price has now shifted market structure. Okay, so on gold, all I'm waiting for is now to just take my entries for buys. As simple as that. We see that price is already pushing up, but it's facing some bit of resistance, which is okay. We shall simply wait. Okay, we had a good chance. Let's go to the M1 so that I can show you. Although we bought at the highest point, which isn't bad, but we have to wait a bit, because remember this was the previous high. Price broke through it, giving us the indication. So when we see something like this, price could potentially reverse a bit, but overall I'm expecting a buy. Okay, I have the buy bullish bias here, so let's just wait and see. So we see that this was a high which was broken to form a new low here, but then price gave us an indication by going above the previous high. So we are good for buys on gold, and let's hold until we enter the New York session. Okay, this is the M15, so there's nothing to be scared about here. Price gave you the indication, but let's wait and see what price gives us. Currently in loss of almost $500 from the 11 lot position. Okay, but just be patient. Just be patient and wait and see what price will give you. Simple as that. Hope to see you guys soon.